Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford Escape trunk from inside the vehicle. The easiest way to open the trunk from the cabin is by using a dedicated button. This button is conveniently located on the driver's side dashboard, making it simple to access. Just a single press will activate the liftgate, allowing you to access your cargo area quickly and efficiently. To find this helpful button, look on your dashboard, usually to the left of the steering wheel. You'll easily identify it by its distinct icon, a small SUV with its rear hatch appearing open. Ford designed this control to be within easy reach, ensuring maximum convenience for you while seated inside the vehicle. It's a straightforward and intuitive design. Once you've located the button, simply press it once with a firm, deliberate motion. For models equipped with a power liftgate, the trunk will automatically unlatch and begin to open. It's important to always check your surroundings and ensure there are no obstructions, such as walls or other vehicles, behind your Escape before activating the liftgate to prevent any accidental damage. This dashboard button method is standard for many Ford Escape models, especially those with a power liftgate system. While the button provides convenient access, always be mindful of your surroundings. Ensure there is ample space, at least 2 feet, behind your vehicle for the liftgate to fully open without hitting anything. Consult your owner's manual for specific details about your particular Escape model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.